Jesus heals many at the Sea of Galilee. Welcome to the Blessing Voices, where we explore the powerful miracles in the Bible. Today, we will look at Jesus heals many at the Sea of Galilee, found in Matthew chapter 4 verses 23 to 25, Mark chapter 3 verses 7 to 12, and Luke chapter 6 verses 17 to 19. This story shows us how Jesus' healing power reached multitudes, and people came from far away to be restored. As Jesus traveled near the Sea of Galilee, large crowds followed him, bringing their sick and those suffering from diseases. People came from Judea, Jerusalem, and beyond the Jordan, even from Tyre and Sidon. They had heard of Jesus' miraculous power and came seeking healing and hope. Jesus welcomed them all. He taught them about God's kingdom and healed everyone who was sick. The blind saw, the lame walked, the sick were healed, and those tormented by evil spirits were set free. Everyone who touched him was healed. His power flowed to those who had faith in him. The crowd was so large that Jesus got into a boat, so he could continue teaching and healing from the shore. The story of Jesus heals many at the Sea of Galilee teaches us important lessons about faith and healing. First lesson: Jesus' healing is for everyone who seeks him. Matthew chapter 11 verse 28, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." No matter where people came from, Jesus did not turn anyone away. His healing is for all who come to him in faith. Second lesson: even a simple touch of faith can bring healing. Mark chapter 5 verse 34, "Daughter, your faith has healed you. Go in peace and be freed from your suffering." Many people just wanted to touch Jesus because they believed in his power to heal. Faith in Jesus brings healing and restoration. Here are 3 key takeaways from today's story. First, Jesus' healing power is available to everyone. Second, faith in Jesus brings complete restoration. Third, when we seek Jesus, we will find healing and peace. Take a moment to think about these questions. 1. Am I seeking Jesus with faith and expectation? 2. Do I believe that Jesus' healing power is for me today? 3. How can I bring others closer to Jesus for healing and restoration? In the conclusion, the story of Jesus heals many at the Sea of Galilee teaches us. First lesson: Jesus' healing is for everyone who seeks him. Second lesson: even a simple touch of faith can bring healing. No matter where we are or what we face, Jesus is always willing to heal and restore us. Just as in Jesus heals many at the Sea of Galilee, we too can experience his power through faith. If God has worked in your life, share your story and encourage others. Let's trust in Jesus and believe that his power is still at work today. Please, like and follow the Blessing Voices for more messages of faith.